Rocks. In this video, we will see how to add watermark in your Word document. It's very important. Sometimes your document contents are very important, and if you are confidential, if you are unique content, this is my content always showing, so it's my suggestion you can add watermark. So how to add watermark in Word document? It's very simple tips and tricks. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So simply open here Word document. I already opened here Word documents, as well as I am put it here one of the paragraph. This is a demo paragraph, but you can put it here your content. So here in the top of the screen, like home, insert, draw and design, inside the design option, look at this in the screen, watermark options are available. You just simply click this watermark and look at this here, no watermark. Currently no watermark comes here. You can add here pictures also, selecting the pictures, like suppose for example I'm adding this picture, so this picture comes in here like this. So you can add a picture, as well as you can add text also here. So I just simply type here research rock, and then here the text font size, font type, which types of font you want, accordingly you select and then put it here. Auto, bold and italic. Transparent, what is the transparent ratio of this one? 0 transformation, like 33. Font color, font type you can select and then OK. So look at this here, the research rocks watermarks comes here. Suppose for example I am putting here in this one 2 3 4. So look at this here in the my contents in the front position, and watermarks are under this page. So you can use these tips and tricks and add watermark as image as well as text. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.